Here we have a down-to-earth 2-car hauler. This is the gunmetal gray powder coated paint on here. This is a 7 by 34 foot 2-car hauler by Down to Earth. I'm gonna show you a little bit around it here. You've got the 10-inch I-beam frame construction, full length, 3-piece tongue. You've got the spare tire mount there on the side. Can't go anywhere without a spare tire. 10,000 pound jack. Adjustable coupler. Comes with a 2 5/16 coupler. We can swap that out to a pintle ring if you want the pintle ring. Got big heavy duty safety chains as well as your safety breakaway kit and your switch there. Thick headache bar on the front, 2-inch thick tubing. Plenty of tie down points. You've got 10 tie down points going down the sides. Welded on D-rings. And LED bullet lights going the full length of the trailer. Treated 2x8 wood flooring. The driver's side fender will be a removable fender. Now this is your standard car hauler width, which will be 82 inches between the fenders. You can see the 4 D-rings there on the bed, and the other 2 to make 10 will be right here on the dovetail. You have a steel plated dovetail, 4 foot. So a 30-foot trailer would be 34-foot trailer would be 30 foot of flat with a 4-foot dovetail. You've got 6-foot slide out ramps that slide out the rear here. Again, LED lights on the back as well as the sides. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia. Best Trailers and Supply, 478-654-5350.